Hello everyone and welcome to Scholarships Corner. Scholarships Corner is back with a very interesting video. But before we give you the details,
don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel of Scholarships Corner. Click on subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates on new and interesting videos. Visit our community tab and join our Telegram channel for daily updates on your phone on a daily basis. Click on this link to subscribe to our Telegram channel.
in this video we will give you details about the Headway Institute International Volunteer Program in Istanbul, Turkey. The Headway Institute is thrilled to invite you to the second edition of the International Volunteer Forum in a captivating city of Istanbul. Join us for an extraordinary 4-day event from October 5th to 8th October 2023. This program is for passionate volunteers, inspirational speakers, and change makers from around the globe. The HISA International Volunteer Program 2.0 is a global platform that celebrates the power of volunteerism and its ability to drive positive change in our communities. This year, they're expanding their horizons, exploring new frontiers, and engaging with even more like-minded individuals. The Headway Institute of Strategic Alliance Volunteer Forum aims to bring young leaders across the globe onto one platform and inculcate a deeper understanding of sustainable development goals. This fully funded conference will consist of discussions about successful initiatives and actions based on a realistic approach. This forum also intends to take participants on a lifelong journey of capacity building through simulations, panel discussions, workshops, and plenary sessions. You can see the details on the official website. The deadline is in 6 days. What to expect at IVF? Categories. There are 3 categories: fully funded, self-funded, and virtual entrant. The fee for the fully funded is $12.5. The fee for the self-funded program is $650, and virtual entrants can join for $20. You can see the previous engagements of the program. Let's see the application process for the fully funded option. Click on register now. The application process is quite simple. You have to add your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, passport number, your date of birth, your gender, nationality, current residential country, and add your profile picture, and you have to upload your passport and then click on next. The next step is the scholarship section. You have to answer some questions in order to be assessed for the scholarship program. Describe yourself and your previous volunteer experiences, and what organization or causes have you worked with, and what motivated you to engage in volunteer program. What specific skills or expertise do you possess that would be valuable in the context of volunteering? Answer these questions in 250 words maximum. What makes you stand out among other applicants? State your major accomplishments, if any. And the International Volunteer Forum emphasizes the importance of sustainable development goals and their long-term impact on society. How do you envision your role as a volunteer contributing to SDGs? And which SDGs have you previously worked on, and what impact did it create? Some additional information: add your social media link and attach your file portfolio. Then click on next, and you can review and submit your application after paying the application fee. The application process is quite simple, so don't waste any time and register now. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.